We're having a rainstorm in New Jersey, and a bit of a flood, too. You won't miss home if you ever come here. See? I didn't get rain.
You just killed my car.
Sorry. So, I just wanted to send you a video of New Jersey and rain. Even though it's probably the same rain that was in England too.
No, the kid Matt decides tropical storm.
Well, maybe one time it was in England.
Maybe it was.
And this is what it's like. And that is a shopping center.
City.
Oh, and I'm working on your scrapbook too. I'm taking pictures of lots of random things. And you might like it. Bye. Bye.